by using the binomial expansion of this binomial we have here, show that correct to 3 decimal places, open brackets 2.08, close raised to the power 7 is equals to 168.439. Okay, now let's get to our solution. So 2 plus x all raised to the power 7 is just the same as 2.08. The only thing that we have is not knowing the value of x. So what we know is that the first number is the first as on the other part, but this same 2.08 raised to the power 7 can still be written as 2 plus 0.08, as it will give us the same 2.08. So in this case, it will therefore mean that our x is the number which is adding the 2, which is 0.08. Okay, now I mean that we're just going to substitute. So what we'll do is we're going to expand the binomial 2 plus x to the power 7. Then after we're done, what we're getting, we substitute 0.08. Now let's start our expansion. So by using binomial theorem, we're going to have 7 choose 0 to simply multiply with 2 raised to the power 7 minus 0 is just a 7. The other one is power is also just say plus. 7 choose 1. Then you have 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 1, which is a 6. Come to the next one, which is plus. Or you multiply with x and plus 7 choose 2. Or have 2 to the power of 7 minus 2 is 5. Then you say x raised to the power of 2. The next one is 7 choose 3. To multiply with 2 raised to the power of 4. Then times x to the power of 3. Then we say plus 7 choose 4 times 2 raised to the power of 5. The power of 3, sorry. Then x to the power of 4. Plus 7 choose 5 times 2 raised to the power of 2. When subtract 7 5, then x to the power of 5. Then say plus 7 choose 6 times 2 to the power 1, then x to the power of 6, plus 7 choose 7 to multiply with x to the power of 7, since the other one raised to the power of 0, giving us a 1. Now let's expand this. The first term will be a 1 to multiply with 2 to the power 7, which is just 128 there. We have 128 there. So 2 to the power of 7 gives us 128. So we get 128. Then we say plus 7 choose 1 will just give us a 7. So we have 7 to multiply with, this will be 64x. Then we say plus. The next one will be 7 choose 2 simply give us a 21. So we're going to have a 21 to multiply with a 32 for 2 to the power 5, then times x to the power of 2 plus 7 choose 3 is 35. Then you say times 16 times x to the power of 3, then plus. The next one is also 35 times 8 half times 8 there, to multiply with x to the power of 4, plus 7 choose 5 simply gives us a 21. Then times 4 times x to the power of 5, then plus 7 choose 6 will simply give us a 7. So we say 7 to multiply with 2, then times x to the power of 6, plus the last one, which is 1 times x to the power of 7. So upon Simplifying this, we're going to get 128, then plus the next term will be 448x, plus the next one will be 672x squared, plus the next one, which will be 560 x to the power of 3, plus the next one will be 280 x to the power of 4, plus 84 x to the power of 5, plus the next one is 14x to the power of 6, plus x to the power of 7. Okay, so this is the first part. Now we look for 2.08 to the power 7, meaning that wherever there is x, we're going to just substitute the 0.08. Okay, now let's start our solution. So we're going to get 2.08 raised to the power 7 is nothing but the same binomial, but we just replace with the 0.08, then plus 448 times 0.08 where there is x, plus 672 0.08 to the power 2, plus 560 times 0.08 to the power 3, plus 280 times 0.08 to the power 4, plus 84 times 0.08 to the power 5, plus 14 times 0.08 raised to the power of 6, plus 0.08 to the power 7. Now let's simplify this further. So we'll get that our first term will be 128 plus 35.84 plus the next term will be 4.3008 plus the other one will be 0.286 plus 0.00027525, then 12 plus 3 point a 3.67 0016 times 10 to the power negative 6, plus the next one is 2.097152 times 10 to the power negative 8. So when this is added all together, you get 168.438767610987. Now to 3 decimal places, we are simply going to get 168.437 as 439, sorry, as our